Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Makeup Divas, and today's video I am here at Victoria's Secrets, and I'm actually here looking at some stuff and thinking about getting some stuff for myself. So I'm gonna go into the store and share with you ladies some items from Victoria's Secrets. Okay ladies, I am back, and my mom and I were checking some velvet matte lipsticks here from Victoria's Secrets, and so I'm gonna see if I can get a few. And here are some other items that they have. Okay ladies, I am back, and I'm looking at the fragrance mist from Victoria's Secrets, and you know, they have some new ones here. They have one called Tangle Bloom, and this one is called Crush Petals. This one, my mom is smelling, this one's called Wildflower, and this one is called Twisted Ivy. Okay, so and these are some new fragrance mists, and they also have some new ones here as well. The packs of what? They're here.
Okay, let's go.
There's a whole tomorrow your mom can come and see the shop. Really, really pretty. Here from Makeup Divas, and today's video is a Victoria's Secrets shopping haul video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies this Victoria's Secrets shopping haul video. And ladies, this video is all about Victoria's Secrets, and I actually have my Victoria's Secrets bag here. And I'm gonna go ahead and share with you ladies all of the products that I picked up at Victoria's Secrets. And as you can see in the video, I basically shared with you ladies some of the video footage that I filmed while I was at the Victoria's Secrets store. And they do have a ton of new products available. So please be sure to go to your local Victoria's Secrets to see what they have available. So before I even share with you ladies all of the items that I got at Victoria's Secrets, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching my video, I want to say welcome. I basically do videos here, and I upload them once a week in my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion style videos, hair product review videos, and also home decor videos as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. once you subscribe to my channel, there's a little bell right next to the subscription button. Just hit that bell, and that way you'll get a notification when I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, a returning viewer, and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome. Okay, so now moving along to the Victoria's Secret shopping haul. I'm pretty sure you ladies want to see what I picked up at Victoria's Secrets. Now, I picked up a few fragrance mists. The majority of the fragrance mists that I did pick up were $5 each. They were in clearance. There's only one that was the 2 for $25, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies which one it is. But let me go ahead and get started on the ones that were in the clearance. Now, the first one I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies is Pure Seduction Water Balloons. Okay, here it is right here. And the fragrance notes for this one is bergamot and frosted jasmine. Okay, and this really have a very light floral scent to it. It smells really, really nice. The next one I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies is called Night Angel. And the fragrance notes on this one is magnolia and amber woods. And this one also smells really nice. It have like a really spicy, warm scent to it. Smells really, really, really nice. The next one that I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies is called Gold Angel. And here it is right here. Now this one, the fragrance notes on this one is the mandarin and coconut. And this one also smells really, really, really warm and spicy as well. The next one that I picked up, yes, I did get a lot of these, okay? I got a lot. Okay, is this one. This one is called Love Spell Water Balloons. And the fragrance notes on this one is blue water lotus and white musk. And this one, oh my goodness, this one smells really nice. It's like a light florally scent. Smells really, really nice. And the next one I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies is not part of the clearance, but it's actually the regular one that they have, is this one right here. Now this one is called Crushed Petal, and the fragrance notes on this one is dewy magnolia and violet leaves. And this one smells really light and floral as well. Now I've started to use all of these, and ladies, these smell like really expensive perfume. They smell really, really good, and once you put them with the corresponding lotion, they do last long. Now moving along to the underwear. I got me a few Victoria's Secrets underwear because I really needed some new undies for me to put on. And so I'm going to go ahead and share with you ladies what underwears that I picked up at Victoria's Secrets. And this is the, let me see, Victoria's Secret's high leg brief. I absolutely adore these because, you know, there's days where you really want to feel like full coverage. And this is, you know, this is the one that I usually wear, the high leg briefs. And this is like really good. These are all cotton, and as you can see, it says Victoria's Secrets on there with hearts all around it. The next one that I got is also a high leg brief as well, and this one have some really, really cute print on it. It says love, Victoria's Secrets, kiss me. And it says angel. There's angel wings, lips, a face that have like some lashes on it. You know, heart, a green heart, gold heart, peach heart, and there is some lace all around the edge. Really, really nice. Now, the next one that I got is the hip hugger, and I'm into, not only I'm into the cotton underwear, but I'm also into lacy underwear because, I adore feeling sexy. So when I want to feel sexy, I put on some lacy underwear. And so here is one in black that I picked up. Okay. Now the next one that I picked up is also a hip hugger, and it is a nude one. Here it is right here, and here is the back. And here's the last one. Now this one is also a hip hugger, and this one is in black. And ladies, that is it for this Victoria's Secret shopping haul video. Go to your local Victoria's Secrets. Definitely, if you see anything in here that you know that kind of catch your eye, you can definitely check to see if Victoria's Secret still have some of these items available, some of these products that they have available. So again, Victoria's Secrets is one of the stores that I absolutely adore. Is my go-to store that I absolutely feel like if I want to, you know, get some fragrance mists or pick up a few nice underwear or pick up some nice bras or even sleepwear lingerie, that's the store that I usually go to. Pajamas, that's the store that I go to. So ladies, that is it. I also want to remind you ladies, if you're watching this, I do some Facebook Live videos. So I do those. So if you want to check those out, I'm going to go ahead and leave the links down below in the description box. So that way you can definitely check out the live videos that I have on Facebook. I also do those videos, and I also do like makeup tutorials on there, and I talk about fashion and, you know, talk about different stuff that have to do with, you know, makeup, hair, and fashion, and probably throw in some home decor stuff in there as well. So they will be different from my YouTube channel. The videos will be different from the videos I do here on YouTube. So ladies, that is it. And I will be doing more fashion and style videos, more hair product review videos, and more home decor videos as well. Bye bye and God bless.